Hello and welcome to Bhumi Construction and Real Estate Management ERP. Here at Bhumi, we are offering you a wide range of modules and sub-modules to ease your construction and real estate needs. We have divided the entire software in two parts. One is construction management and another one is CRM. In our construction management, we have tender management, project management, contractor management, purchase and hiring management, machine management, inventory management, finance management, and so on. In our CRM module, we have pre-sale, post-sale along with the task management module in the CRM. Today, let's discuss about the project management module in Bhumi. While working with the entire project management module, we have divided the task into 4 different parts. First is the estimation part, where we are estimating the entire project cost in terms of item, labor and machinery. Second is our planning part. Third one is the budgeting, and the last but not the least part is our monitoring part. So let's start with the estimation part. While working with the estimation part, first of all we prepare master for items, labor and machinery. While after preparing the masters, we prepare a cost estimation, rate estimation for each and every activity we are going to do in the construction management part. After preparing my work estimation, my next step will be to prepare the BOQ. While defining the BOQ, we have the activity, its quantity, its duration and its dependency. Once we have the BOQ prepared, then the next step will be to preparing the project hierarchy in terms of phases, sub-phases and sub-phases, and attaching the BOQ with the hierarchy. After doing the estimation, we will have the entire project's cost estimation, time estimation, rate estimation and complete BOQ analysis. The second part is my project planning part. While working with the planning part, we start with the monthly planning. While working with monthly planning, we define different locations and activities to do in an entire month. It will tell me the complete purchase planning, contract planning and the machine planning for the month for which we have planned the monthly planning. To do the work in a micro level, we can do the daily planning for every location and activity. So it will tell me the complete item, labor and machinery requirement for the planned day. After recording the progress done, item consumption, labor consumption and machinery consumption along with the measurement of that activity and images for that activity. To work with project management, we need to click on the project management module and we can log into the software. After logging in, we have the project budgeting, monitoring and budgeting dashboard, in which we are showing you the initial budget, current budget of that particular period, estimation amount, variation, work done amount along with the graphical figures for the selected period of time. It shows us the current budget, the estimated amount, the work done amount, the variation for that and for the balance amount. Along with that, it's also showing me estimated project analysis for the complete period and estimated project analysis for the selected period of time. So to start with the project management module, we start from the project workflow that is available at the starting of the module. Here we are showing you all the masters that needs to be recorded, all the transaction and the report. So first of all, we will prepare the item master. While working with the item master, we have the item name, its item group, its item category along with the taxation information, its purchase unit, issue unit. If my purchase and issue unit are different, then conversion for that, along with the manufacturer detail, opening balance detail and so on. For the labor part, labor master part, we record the labor name, its labor group category, what is the unit of measurement, what are the rate for the different period of time. The next part is my machine part. We record all the machine, its type, its rate in the master recording. Now after entering item, labor and machine master, my next step will be to record the work and their work categories. The work categories could be wooden work, electrical work, civil work, plaster work, painting work, etc. So we record all the work categories, and in the next step we will do the cost estimation for each and every activity we are going to do in our project. For example, let's talk about the brickwork. This is a sample activity. So while adding the work activity in the software, we write down the work name, its required items in terms of name and its quantity, labor name and their quantity, machine name and that's quantity, and we can check out the summary for the particular work in terms of item, labor and machinery. The summary also shows us the entire cost requirement for the work. We can have we can get a rate analysis for each and every activity in terms of item, labor and machinery. So the next step will be to record my BOQ. Here in the BOQ we have multiple activities along with their quantities, their duration and their dependency. We add multiple work and their quantity and their dependency in the work template, and after adding a multiple work in the work template, we will have complete material summary. After defining my work template, the next step will be to define the project hierarchy. While defining the project hierarchy, we have a project name, its phases and sub phases. Again, in the phases we may have sub phases, and we call for the BOQ from the BOQ part, and then we attach the BOQ in the entire hierarchy, and we can save the project hierarchy. After doing this activity, this is the estimation part for the entire project. We have estimated all the items, all the machine, all the labors, and estimated all the work that needs to be done in my project. Now the next thing is to get the reporting for the estimation part. We can have multiple reports to check my estimation. We have estimated BOQ summary, estimated BOQ summary detail in terms of item, labor and machinery. In the project summary, in the project estimation or BOQ summary report, it will show me the list of activities that needs to be done in an BOQ, their unit, their quantity, their rate and their complete cost estimation in terms of their complete cost estimation. My other reports are estimated BOQ summary that shows me the complete BOQ report along with the item, machinery and labor records. After doing the project hierarchy and BOQ estimation, after doing the project hierarchy and attaching the BOQ with the hierarchy, the next part is for the monthly planning. While working with the monthly planning, we can select multiple activities and their BOQ quantities will come. We can plan for a quantity, their rates can be defined, and it will show me the entire material. After working with my project hierarchy and attaching my BOQ in the project hierarchy, the next phase is monthly and daily planning. While working with the monthly planning, we may have multiple location, multiple activities. It will show me the BOQ quantity and we can plan according to the BOQ quantity. As per our planning, the software will automatically show us the material summary for the required for the complete month, the labor summary required, the machinery summary and the complete list of activities summary along with the finance detail that is required to arrange in the particular month. After doing the monthly planning, we may have a micro planning on the daily basis. We can plan for a particular day, and it will show me the material, labor and machinery summary for the required day. This is how we are doing the planning part. The last part is to record my daily progress. As soon as we will record my daily progress, it will while recording my daily work progress, while the site engineer will record the daily progress, it will let the software know the location name, the activity name, its BOQ quantity, acceptable quantity, along with the actual quantity done by the contractor name, and the measurement by which he has done the work, along with the material, labor and machinery information, how much he has been consumed, how much was planned, how much was issued, and how much has been consumed by the labor in term and all by the contractor. Also labor quantity planned and consumed, machine quantity planned and consumed in terms of. After recording the daily work progress, we will have the entire picture of what was the plan, what was estimated, what was planned, and what is actually done. We will able to find it out how much activities has been done, what is the balance work, what is the balance work summary, how much the final part is my reporting part, where we are showing you the estimated BOQ summary report, estimated BOQ report, work done report, balance work report, material consumption report, and budgeting report. Let's talk about the first report, that is my project estimation BOQ report. We can select a single phase or an entire project, and we can check out the entire BOQ report. It will show the complete BOQ for the project, list of activities in the project, list of activities, their quantities, their rate, along with the amount and the complete BOQ amount for the selected BOQ. Next report is the work done report, in which we can check out for a particular phase or for an entire project. We can check how much work has been done, how much is the balance, and what is the revised balance amount. Next report is material consumption report, which shows us all the material consumption for a phase. In the reporting section, we have multiple reports in project management module. We have estimated BOQ summary report, BOQ detailed report, work done report, balance work summary report, material consumption report, budget revision report, and so on. Let's see a few of the report. This is the project estimate report. It's showing me the project phase name, work template name, along with its unit, its rate, quantity, and its amount, and the item information that is required to do the work. It also shows the item summary, labor summary, and machinery summary for the entire selected template. Next is the project estimated BOQ report. It shows the activity name, its unit, its quantity and amount, and the entire amount to complete the project BOQ. Next is the balance work summary report. It shows the details in terms of location, path, their work, unit, estimated BOQ quantity, work done quantity, and the balance quantity. Next report is material consumption report, which shows the consumption of all the items in all the phases and sub phases, along with the BOQ quantity, approved quantity, consumed quantity, approved consumed quantity, and unapproved consumed quantity, and the issued quantity. Next is the budget revision report, budgeting report, which shows the cost category head wise, the cost categories and cost head, along with the initial budget, final budget, and variation amount, and the work done amount and the balance amount with the variation. That is all about the project management module in ABC, where we have discussed about the project planning, budgeting, and progress monitoring. Thank you all of you.